Good morning, students. In our last video, we have seen how to solve our practice set number 15. So today we have to learn practice set number 16 and what is the meaning of complementary angle. Complementary means what? If the sum of measures of two angles is 90 degree, then they are known as complementary angle. Suppose the measurement is given, suppose this angle is given 30 degree and this angle is given 60 degree. Suppose this angle is their angle ABC and angle PQR. Two angles are given in front of you. One angle measurement is 30, another angle measurement is 60. 30 plus 60 is 90 degree. So these both angles known as complementary angle. So clear the concept in your mind. Whenever complementary angle is there, you have to write down the measurement of 90 degree. Okay. So practice set number 16 today we have to learn. We have to find out the pair of complementary angle. The measure of some angles are given below. Write the measure of their complementary angle. So first example is given 40 degree. I am going to take only first example and last example. Next you have to solve yourself. 40 degree. So let the measure of complementary angle. How to solve? Let the measure of, we have to find out the complementary angle of 40 degree. We know that 40 degrees complementary angle is 50 degree. 40 plus 50 answer comes 90. So we have to solve in this way. Let the measure of the complementary angle be x. Okay. So we know that whatever angle is there, our 40 degree plus we can consider next angle measurement is x degree is equal to 90. Why we have to take 90? Because both angle measurement is 90 degree, so we have to take 90. We know that 40 is positive, that side it is negative. X is equal to 90 minus 40. So x is equal to 90 minus 40, answer comes 50 degree. So this is our x. X means what? We can consider the complementary angle. Therefore, write down the measure of, the measure of complement of an angle. Complement of an angle of measure 40 degree is 50 degree. By the same way you have to write down the statement, because whenever you can write down the statement, it is easy for you to solve the example. It means in front of us 40 degree angle is given and we can find out the complement of 40 degree, because complement of 40 degree is 50 degree. Why 50 degree? We know that the measurement of complementary angle is 90 degree. So measurement of complementary angle of 40 degree is 50 degree. By the same way we have to take the last example. Now pay attention. Last example is x degree. We have to find out the complement of x degree. X degree. So let the measure of the complementary angle be y degree. So don't consider x because already we have given x degree and we have to find out the next complement angle. No angle is given, only variable. So we know that the measurement of complement is 90 degree. Our answer comes 90. So whatever angle is given, x plus we are consider y is equal to 90. So we know that x is negative, positive, that side it is negative. So y is equal to 90 minus x. Therefore the value of y is 90 minus x. This is your answer. So therefore the measure of the complement of an angle of measure x degree is 90 minus x degree. Okay, 90 minus x, it means whenever we can subtract 90 from 90 minus x. So we know the measurement of complementary angle. So remaining angles are there. You have to solve that angle yourself. So next example is given. Word problem is there. So I am going to take that word problem also. Pay attention to that word problem properly. Y minus 20 degree and y plus 30 degree are the measurement of complementary angle. Find the measure of each angle. So first is y minus 20 degree and second is y plus 30 degree. These are the two measurement of given angle. We have to find out proper measurement. Suppose we are taking, this is your angle x and this is your angle y. So we know that y minus 20 plus y plus 30 is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because the measurement of the sum of measurement of complementary angle. Write down the reason. The sum of measure of complementary angle is angle 90 degree. Okay, sum of measure is 90 degree. So solve the bracket. Y minus 20 plus y plus 30 is equal to 90 degree. So we have to remove the bracket. Variables are same, y and y. So we have to write down 2y. Y in front of y no numbers are there. So number is 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 2 and minus 20 and plus 30. One number negative, another number positive. We have to do the subtraction. 30 minus 20 answer comes 10 and bigger number plus 10 is there is equal to 90. So if you observe 2y is equal to, this 10 is positive, that side it is negative, 90 minus 10. So 2y is equal to 90 minus 10, answer comes 80. Now we know that how to solve the remaining example. Okay, so 2 is in multiplication form, 2y. Multiplication form, that side it is in division form. So y is equal to 80 divided by 2. So y is equal to, if you divide the number 2 4s are 8, 2 0s are 0. So answer comes y is equal to 40. Now we have to put the value in this y. First angle is there, y minus 20. So our value of y is 40. 40 minus 20. So our answer comes 20. And next is y plus 30. Y plus 30. So our value of y occurs 40. 40 plus 30. It is 70. So the measurement of complementary angles are 20 and 70. If you observe 20 plus 70, answer comes 90. So in this way we can solve our question number second also. I hope that you can easily understand our practice set number 16. Solve the example. Now I am going to give you homework also. So solve that homework example also. Okay. Chalo, bye.